So today we will be reading the third chapter of your English reader. The name of the chapter is Measure for Measure. What you have to do, you have to just listen to the explanation what I am giving, and also the one who are seeing it online. What you have to do, you have to just listen to the explanation, and the reading part will be done by you. Reading आपको खुद से करनी होगी, and what you have to do, you have to just listen to the explanation. This story is taking us back in time when Krishnadev Rai was a ruler of some part of India, and he was known for his wisdom and many other bravery act. Once in his kingdom there was a painter named Raja Varma. The name of the painter was Raja Varma, and he was, you can say by that time he was among the best painter in the world. दुनिया का सबसे अच्छा चित्रकार उसे माना जाता था, राजा वर्मा को. And but Krishnadev Rai had a very you can say respectful kind of vision for all these painters, artists, you can say. जितने भी कलाकार होते थे उनके लिए कृष्णदेव राय के मन में एक बहुत अच्छा भाव होता था. So what he did, he called Raja Varma to his kingdom and asked him to paint his portrait. हम अपना खुद का चित्र बनाने के लिए राजा वर्मा को किसने कहा? कृष्णदेव राय ने. And what portrait he painted, very nice. Means ऐसा लगा कि वो जीवित चित्र है, और अभी उसमें से जो राजा है कृष्णदेव राय हैं वो बाहर निकल के आ जाएंगे. कृष्णदेव राय, the king was very much impressed by the portrait what Raja Varma painted, and he was so much impressed that he made him the chief minister of his kingdom. क्या किया कृष्णदेव राय ने? उनको, राजा वर्मा को, उनकी पेंटिंग की एबिलिटी देख के क्या बना दिया? चीफ मिनिस्टर बना दिया. अब he was a good painter, he was a very good painter, but that skill cannot give you other skill. When Krishnadev Rai gave him the charge of administrating the state, उन्होंने क्या करना शुरू कर दिया? मिसमैनेजमेंट, बैड मैनेजमेंट. क्यों? क्योंकि ही डिडंट हैड एनी एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ इट. ना ही वो उनका सब्जेक्ट रहा था कि किस तरीके से मैनेज किया जाए. व्हाट ही वाज गुड एट, ही वाज गुड एट पेंटिंग, नॉट एट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन. एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन का चार्ज दे दिया गया, सारी चीज़ें हुई, बट बिकॉज ऑफ हिज बैड डिसीजंस क्या होने लगा? जनता में उनके प्रति जो सम्मान था वो क्या होने लगा? घटने लगा. डेफिनेटली होगा कि कोई किसी चीज़ के लिए आया है, जैसे मान लो अविनाश ने आलोक की बकरी चुरा ली और वो गया राजा के पास. राजा ने कहा कि हाँ, मुख्यमंत्री जो है, चीफ मिनिस्टर है, वो इसको सुलझाएंगे. तो चीफ मिनिस्टर राजा वर्मा क्या करते हैं कि बुलाते हैं दोनों को. हाँ भाई, बकरी किसकी थी? आलोक ने कहा मेरी. सत्या बोलता है, अविनाश बोलता है कि ये मेरी बकरी थी. तो राजा वर्मा ने क्या किया? लिया, उसको काटे, खा लिया, बोले तुम दोनों जाओ. So this is kind of bad management only, no justice to anyone. So people or the courtiers were not happy with the decision of Raja Varma being made as a chief minister of the state, but they cannot straightforwardly inform it to the king. सीधे सीधे बोल भी नहीं सकते थे क्योंकि अब राजा के फेवरेट थे. So they contacted Tenali Raman. Tenali Raman was, you might have heard or seen few serials or TV shows on him. Tenali Raman कुछ कुछ करके वो serials आते हैं, है ना, आपने देखा भी होगा. So he was among the most wisest person in his kingdom. और उन्होंने कहा ठीक है, इस समस्या का समाधान मैं निकाल कर आपको बताता हूँ. After 2-3 days, what he did, he invited king and all the courtiers to his house for eating food, for kind of feast you can say. और जब सारे दरबारी और राजा जब पहुँचते हैं, he serves the food and he asks one man to serve the food. अब वो जैसे ही खाना परोसा जाता है, एंड द किंग टुक द फर्स्ट बाइट, इमीडिएटली ही स्पैट आउट द फूड. उन्होंने पूरा खाना जो है, जो मुंह में था, उसे बाहर थूक दिया. एंड द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन द किंग आस्क्ड वाज हु मेड द फूड. खाना किसने बनाया? Tenali Raman was waiting for this moment. He immediately came and said, how sir, the food must be very nice. The king said, no, the food is not good. I have spat out the first morsel what I have ate. सो तेनालीरामन कहते हैं कि हाउ इज़ इट पॉसिबल, आई hired the best carpenter in the town to prepare the food. I hired a best carpenter in the town to prepare the food. सबसे बढ़िया लकड़ी के कारीगर को मैंने खाना बनाने का जिम्मा दिया था, कि जिम्मेदारी दी थी. The king says, कृष्णदेव राय says, are you out of your mind? How can a carpenter cook great food? क्या तुम्हारा दिमाग खराब हो गया है तेनालीरामन? एक कारपेंटर कैसे अच्छा खाना बना सकता है? Then immediately Tenali Raman replied, in the same way a good painter could be a good chief minister. In the same way. The king understood his mistake, and Rajavarma himself understood the mistake, and Rajavarma, with the courtesy to the king and all due respect, he resigned from the post of chief minister. And then everything went happy. So the title here suggests measure for measure. What it suggests us that we should do what we are belong to do. हमको वही करना चाहिए जो हमें आता है. Like in the first line, if you will see, all of us have scissor and blade at home, but we still go to barber for our haircuts. है ना, हम खुद तो नहीं काटते ना, because we are not able to cut that. You understood? Hope you all understood. I shall send the note and notes in the group, and what you have to do, just read out the chapter with you by yourself and copy down the notes what are sent. Thank you.